Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a logo on every page in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the header and footer option. Then click inside the header dialog box and go to the header and footer menu. Click the picture option, then choose logo on your device. Now I am select the logo image and click insert. Now you can see here the images as a text. Now you set the position to the text and automatically the image position is same. Now I am press some enter to set the position, then click outside and we can see here automatically inserted the logo. Then click inside again and go to the header and footer option, select the format picture option. You can resize the picture. Now I make the height 2 and the wide is 2. Then press OK or go to the picture option and you can increase the brightness or the contrast. You can change the color. Now I am select the size option and select the lock aspect ratio. Then click OK. Then click inside the sheet and go to the view menu, select the normal page, then go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. Now we can see we insert logo on every page easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.